Welcome to another video, guys. In today's video, I heard so many of my students, they told me that some changes are coming, and the changes that they are coming, I will explain slightly in this video. So if you're going for the road test, you will be prepared. This video, first of all, will be on my Patreon, and my Patreon can learn first. If you would like to join me there, you can check the link will be in the description. Sivinch,
Hi.
this is your first time that you're going to do parallel parking. I will give you step by step, okay?
Okay.
And next time when you're going to do by yourself, it's going to be much easier, okay? Now, guys, so we're going to do parallel parking, and after the parallel parking straight, we're going to do 3-point turn. This is this is what examiners, some driving test centers, that's what they ask. So Sivinch will try to do on her own, okay? When you're ready, let's continue. Let's go to the first car and we will do parallel parking. Okay, let's go. So first of all, what do you need to do when you do parallel parking? You're going to put the signal to the right, so you will let everybody know that you do parallel parking. So that's the first car that we're approaching, okay? And keep a slightly distance beside the car. And let's see how long it's going to take us to do that. So first of all, you lining up mirror to mirror if the car is the same size. If the car will be longer, you go back to back. Okay, so right now we kind of almost the same size, so we went mirror to mirror. What's the next step that you have to do? We're gonna put reverse. You keep the signal on, right? We're still turning. So now turn 3/4 to the right. So turn the wheel, yes. So you know what the 3/4 means? This one is kind of point towards the car. Now after that, you're gonna check left and right, make sure nobody's coming, and let the car go. Do you think it's hard to do parallel parking?
For the first time, it's a bit hard, but
Let's see. So now you're gonna go mirror to the corner, right? Perfect. Just a little bit more back. There we go. So as you can see, guys, I'm lining up mirror to the corner of the car, not the lights, mirror to the corner of the car. And then you turn, how many turns back? 2 turns back. Let's go. There's going to be 1 and 2. Now make sure nobody is coming, right? We're checking around. Let the car go. And now you don't need to do anything. You just need to wait until the car will park himself. Keep on rolling. Yes. Perfect. Until you straight. A little bit more back. Nice. Now, as you can see, guys, I'm going to zoom a little bit. And as you can see, we parallel to the curb. Perfect. How you did that? That was amazing. Just park the car and put the handbrake. Put the handbrake. The brake, yeah, no, up. There we go. So when you put the handbrake, you always use up, not down. Okay, so we did parallel parking. Tell me, is it difficult?
no.
No. And as you can see, guys, this was her first time she tried, and just a little bit of my help, and you did. Now, what we're gonna do next? The next thing is we're gonna do a 3-point turn from here. And the reason that now I heard from my students that examiners ask to do that. So the problem here is because you cannot see, the car is blocking, you have to be very careful. Okay, let's put on drive. And again, I will help you step by step. So release the handbrake, release. Now put the signal left so people will know, no, left, yeah. So people will know that you're pulling out. Check, make sure nobody's on that side. So now you don't have to turn the wheel if you didn't straight. You just need to release the brake. Release the brake. And keep looking, keep looking. Make sure no cars are coming. Yeah. And as you can see, guys, it was a little bit difficult to move from the car just because it's hard to see. Go a little bit more forward, a little bit more forward. You still have lots of room. Oh, just 1 second. I think we put the handbrake. That's it. Okay, a little bit more forward, yeah. And stop. What's the first thing you need to do? Make sure that you put the car on the reverse. Put the signal off, yeah, to the right. Check left and right. How many turns? 2 to the right. Let's go. Release the brake. 2. There we go. So Another thing that you have to pay attention when you're reversing, so you're not gonna hit the car that parked, right? So you have to pay attention to that. Keep a little bit more back. As you can see, the car is too close. Nice. Okay, what's the next step? We have to put on drive. Signal, yeah. Check left and right. Make sure nobody's coming. Let's go. And 2 turns. And slightly on the gas. Straighten up. Straighten up. And just put the signal to the right and pull over on the right side. A little bit more forward, a little bit more forward. So you're not gonna, remember, when you're pulling over, make sure you're not blocking the driveway. Okay, park the car for a second. How was it?
A little bit scary.
You feel scary?
A little bit.
So what was scary?
Doing parallel parking with 3-point turn together.
Right away, right? So now, why I'm doing this for you? So in case this has happened on the test, you know how to do it. Okay, so guys, as you all saw what happened right now, we did 3-point turn after we, like, first of all we did parallel and then we did the 3-point turn, and Savinch said that it was a little bit difficult.
Yeah.
But next time will be much better.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and if you would like to watch these videos and you just join me on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next